I am here to present my views on the subject Saturn, your guide and your teacher. Saturn is our real guru and guide. Normally, a person can be judged by his appearance and action, but we shall be highly mistaken if we apply this to the Saturn. It has his own characteristics, but his actions are very elusive. Saturn will speak least about himself. You take him as your enemy, but he is your guide. Saturn is the greatest teacher because it builds faith in yourself. It does not promise success, but by laying out the step and path, despite distractions and the doubts, you start to gain. Saturn approved mastery regardless of outcome. It is the path of unshakable self-esteem. Saturn influence seems heavy and limiting, but that is the nature of physical sphere. When you toss up your hands and feeling very depressed and inert, someone has to be authority in your life. But when you are very much humbled, humiliated enough, you might decide to pull yourself up and be your own master. The sign and the house position of Saturn in your natal chart shows where these life changes and dramas are likely to take place. Learning about your natal Saturn can be very illuminating. It offers insight into the areas of life where you will likely to face most intense internal battles on the way of self-confidence. I would like you to understand the symbol of Saturn. There is a one cross and the crescent on its lower part with an opening upwards. Cross means Jivatma or the split latent in an individual. The half cycle or crescent stands for the moon, the mind. The arc of the crescent is slightly upward, indicating that there is some urge to go back to the source or Paramatma. It says that Jivatma is checked in his upward flight by a crescent and attached to the lower part. Arc upward means individual urge to go to back to the Paramatma. But this area is according to the symbol says there is some element of frustration in the human mind from its present condition. Saturn is the jewel of the solar system for astrologer. I suggest when you know your Saturn's house and sign in natal chart, try to find interpretation for both. By reading about the zodiac sign that shares the sign of your Saturn, you will start to see what qualities the celestial taskmaster wants you to master. It is very important to do your Saturn. Read up Saturn in each of 4 elements, its qualities in house and sign. Do you know what is Saturn return? It takes about 29.5 years for the slow mover to return to where it was when you were born. Saturn return is a wake-up call. Saturn tries to lead you to yourself. It is one of the most important times astrologically to understand your mission in life. If you have been posting on a bravado and foundation and wishful thinking, the Saturn cause your feet and dissolve the carpet. It will take carpet beneath your feet. And if for some it gives confirmation that you are on the right track. You again get another chance to take stock when Saturn return in your life in late 50s. Saturn takes 2.5 years and the transit for moon and the lagna is very dreaded because Saturn आपको मांझता है. Saturn is dreaded by ordinary people as he is seen as a punishing planet. It would be more appropriate if we call his chastiser, means he punishes the wicked, and to the good he gives wisdom, non-attachment and renunciation. For you Saturn build fences, set boundaries and create system with carefully strategy. As the authority, he figures it, point out your limitation and what is not working in your life and export you to rise up to the occasion. Manifesting as a frustration, blockage, delay, it shows you down to your essentials and gives you the opportunity to rebuild. Through this, it allows you to transform your weaknesses into the strength. He delivers life's hardest lesson to you. I like to think Saturn as a force of deliverance. We often need breakdowns in order to experience breakthrough. This is Saturn's gift to you. As a teacher, his planetary rings suggesting limitations are deceptive. Saturn is actually the lord of surroundings and ultimately teaches us how we can experience freedom through wise detachment. Saturn time indicates a great personal transformation if you can learn to work. I will like to conclude my presentation by saying Saturn is your guide and guru. Understand him and his ways. Thanks everybody for